Hello, and welcome. This will be a small intro to the hardcore series. I will talk a bit about the rules. The rules are as simple as they are complicated. Yeah, I got one life. That's the idea. I put the max difficulty on minions and raids. When it comes to resources, I had set it to normal, and maps and portals are also normal. Mostly because I don't want, for the resources, I don't want to grind for ages, and portals. Yeah, it's kind of the same thing because I don't want to build a new base every time I come to an area. So I'll leave them be. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. The plan is I got one life, and if I die, I have to start over, and then I have to start over. So it's gonna be a series where I come back to for time to time, see how far I will come. You have even pigs are very dangerous in this difficulty, so one hit from a troll will kill you. Yeah, so it's gonna be a bit more tough, and have to cheese a little bit more than I usually do. But anyways, I hope you enjoy, and see you in there. Bye.